In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make slide decks with NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank notebook to a polished AI-generated slide deck with the right format, language, and length for your needs. Start by heading to your browser and searching for NotebookLM. In the results, look for the official NotebookLM page from Google. Open that result to land on the product's homepage. On the homepage, select Try NotebookLM. This takes you into the app so you can create and manage your projects. If the interface looks a little different from mine, don't worry, Google updates the layout, but the flow is the same. Once you're in, choose whether you want to create a new notebook or open an existing one. A new notebook is great if you're starting fresh. An existing one works if you already have notes, research, or content ready to draw from. Inside the notebook, find the slide deck option and open it, then switch into edit so you can configure what the deck should look like. Right away, you'll be prompted to select a format. You can choose detailed deck if you want fuller slides with more text and context, or presenter slides if you prefer concise bullets that you'll speak to. Think about your audience and setting. Detailed is great for handouts or self-paced review, while presenter-friendly slides are ideal for live talks. Next, choose your language. Pick the language you plan to present or share in so the tone and phrasing match your audience. After that, set the length. You'll see options like short and default. Short keeps it tight, useful for quick updates or lightning talks. Default gives you a more complete deck without being too long. Choose the one that fits your time slot and depth. Now describe the slide deck you want to create. Be specific about the topic, the goal, who it's for, and any must-include points or examples. Clear instructions help the model structure your narrative, title your slides well, and maintain a consistent voice. When you're ready, click Generate. NotebookLM will build the slides based on your settings and description. Review the results and refine inside the editor as needed. Tweak titles, tighten phrasing, or expand my sections that need more support. If something feels off, adjust your description or switch formats and regenerate until it matches your intent. That's it. You've just created a slide deck with NotebookLM, quick, clear, and tailored to your audience.